A monumental occasion for Parkland Memorial Hospital with the 10th anniversary of our flagship campus. Over the past decade, Parkland Health has seen more than 2 million patients in the emergency department, delivered more than 122,000 babies, and performed nearly 160,000 surgeries in the main operating suites. But behind every number is a person, a life touched by care that is sometimes life-saving, sometimes life-sustaining, and always delivered with dignity and respect.
So looking back over the past decade, I would say gratitude is one word that comes to mind. Thankful for the support we get from the people of Dallas to be able to do this.
In 2021, Parkland Health Brenda Raimundo safely deliver healthy quintuplets.
Well, it's a roller coaster of emotions.
In 2022,
it's around 120 pages of important information.
Parkland, together with Dallas County Health and Human Services, released a community health needs assessment, a roadmap to identify neighborhoods and populations facing the greatest health disparities.
The community health needs assessment gives us a snapshot of the health needs in Dallas County. If you're going to really address those needs, you've got to be open and honest about where the needs are, where the problems are. And so we want to be transparent with the public, show what we've found, and then people can hold us accountable, hold themselves accountable to structure and services to meet those needs.
And in 2023, as the nation marked the 60th anniversary of the JFK assassination,
Parkland has moved to a new facility since then, but the Parkland Foundation has built a memorial park.
The John F. Kennedy Park for hope, healing, and heroes on the main campus.
I felt like it was important to have a memorial so that Dallas could remember this part of the history.
But amidst the accomplishments of the past decade, Parkland faced profound challenges. In 2016, just a few months after the flagship campus opened, Parkland stood at the center of another tragic moment in Dallas history.
Parkland Hospital, as you know, was once again thrust into the national spotlight Thursday night, just as it was more than 50 years ago when President John F. Kennedy was assassinated,
treating 7 police officers wounded in the July 7th downtown ambush. And in 2020, when the COVID-19 pandemic swept the nation,
my gut tells me we're not at the end. We're kind of at the beginning.
Parkland's healthcare heroes stepped up with courage and dedication. From setting up testing and vaccination sites to the opening of a dedicated COVID unit, Parkland providers cared selflessly for the sickest of patients.
Parkland workers have a history of standing up in times of crisis. When I really think about it, and the people who stood up, it makes me, to be honest, a bit emotional, because you had people that early on were unsure of how the disease was going to act. People on campus putting themselves at risk without knowing all the implications early on in the pandemic. And it speaks just volumes for the professionalism, the commitment, the dedication to others that is just really characteristic of the kind of people that love to work at Parkland.
Looking forward to the next 10 years at 5200 Harry Hines Blvd.
I expect Parkland to continue to grow in terms of meeting the access demands of people, but also to do what Parkland's always done and sort of innovating, being on the leading edge of technology and how to improve the way we deliver care. This is a public health system unlike any other public delivery system in the country, I'd say. And the county has shown confidence in Parkland to meet that need, so they support us.
With a proud tradition of serving Dallas County, Parkland remains steadfast, ready to meet whatever challenges lie ahead with unwavering dedication to care, compassion, and community.